Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've been on the hunt for a foundation that feels like skincare, you might want to stick around. Today, we're looking at the Estee Lauder Futurist Skin Tint Serum Foundation with SPF 20. A foundation that promises to deliver light coverage, a radiant finish, and hydration. It's designed for all skin types and claims to be long-wearing, so let's see how it stacks up. Now, before we get into the details, let's take a closer look at what we're working with here. This foundation comes in a 1.0 FL Aughts bottle and is available in multiple shades, including 3-in-1 Ivory Beige. It's made for those who want a natural, glowy look while protecting their skin from harmful UV rays with the added SPF 20. The key ingredient? Glycerin, which helps to hydrate the skin throughout the day. I've been testing this out for a few weeks now, and I have to say, it really does feel like a skincare product first. The texture is super lightweight, almost like a tinted serum. It glides on smoothly, giving your skin a beautiful, radiant finish without feeling heavy or greasy. You can apply it with your fingers or a brush, and it blends in effortlessly. When I applied it, I was impressed by how easy it was to work with. The light coverage provides just enough to even out the skin tone, but it doesn't mask your natural beauty. It gives a fresh, dewy look, perfect for those who want a more natural appearance, but without sacrificing a polished finish. And I really appreciated how it felt on my skin. No dryness, no uncomfortable tightness, just hydration and that healthy glow. As for its performance in real life, I wore it throughout the day in various conditions, from a morning meeting to a quick walk outside, and it held up pretty well. I was impressed by the long wear claim. It didn't slide off or oxidize, and my skin stayed hydrated, even in dry indoor environments. The SPF 20 is a nice bonus, but I'd still recommend applying a separate sunscreen if you're going to be out in direct sunlight for an extended period. Now let's talk pros and cons. The biggest pro for me is how light and breathable it feels on the skin. If you're someone who doesn't like the feel of heavy foundations, this is a fantastic option. The radiant finish also gives you that youthful glow, which I know many of us are after. It's versatile too, perfect for daily wear or even special events when you want something that's not too over the top but still looks refined. On the downside, the light coverage might not be enough if you're someone who needs more concealing power. If you have blemishes or redness you want to hide, you may need a good concealer to pair with this. Also, while I love the radiant finish, it might not be ideal for those with oily skin who prefer a more matte look. When it comes to value for money, it really depends on what you're looking for. This is a higher-end product, and it's priced accordingly. If you're after something that feels luxurious and gives you that skincare-like texture while providing light coverage, it could be worth the splurge. However, if you're on a budget and want a full coverage matte foundation, you might find alternatives that better suit your needs. Comparing it to other foundations on the market, I would say the Estee Lauder Futurist Skin Tint is definitely on the pricier side. That said, it offers something unique: glycerin for hydration, SPF for protection, and that beautiful radiant finish. If you're after a more affordable option, there are other tinted moisturizers or foundations with SPF that may come close, but few blend skincare with makeup in the same way this one does. As far as build quality goes, the packaging is sleek and practical. The pump is great for controlling the amount of product you dispense, which means less waste. It's also easy to travel with, which is always a plus. The only downside? The SPF 20 could be higher, but for everyday wear, it's certainly an added benefit. So, is this foundation a good fit for you? If you're looking for light coverage, hydration, and a radiant finish, you'll love it. It's perfect for anyone with normal to dry skin who enjoys a natural glow, and it works especially well if you're into skincare-based makeup. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let me know your thoughts and experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.